Hi guys, have you ever been in a test and they give you this question, you look at it and you're kind of confused, you're thinking, how do I do this? They haven't given me enough clues in the question. Like you look at the question, you say, well, there's minimal, meager, limited information. How can I possibly work this out? Well, if you'd like to know how to do those guys, those types of questions, I'm going to show you in this example how we can exercise our resourcefulness, how to be more resilient, and how to respond to these types of questions where the information is so limited. And this is a classic example right here on my left. As you can see, we have a right-angled triangle. So we've got limited information. Basically, they haven't given us any numbers, have they? And they say, well, we want you to find out what x is up here, and we're not going to give you much information. And you look around and you say, well, we've just got theta here, and we've got a right angle, and it's a triangle. Well, what can we do? Well, let's be resourceful. First step in answering these types of questions is to write down what you do have. Write that down. Even if it seems meager and limited, write it down. So let's see what we do have. Well, one of the things we do have is, well, we've got a theta there. It doesn't sound like much, but let's write it down. We have theta. Yes, let's celebrate we have a theta. Now, what else do we have? We have a 90 degrees right there. It's a right angle, so let's write that down. Plus 90 degrees. Okay, now do we know something about triangles that we could use here? For example, some sort of strategy. One strategy we can use is we know that all the angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees, yeah? So we could use that, couldn't we? So all these angles, yeah, let's write that down. If all these angles equal 180 degrees, that means theta right here, 90 degrees right angle right here, plus the missing pronumeral x right over here. We could just add those three together and it'll equal 180 degrees. Let's do that. Plus x. Okay. Theta plus 90 plus x, 180. Theta plus 90 plus x, 180. That seems very plausible and very practical. Now, let's get x by itself, because that's what we asked to do. We're looking for this missing pronumeral. Let's get that by itself. Let's get rid of these guys over here, yeah? So how about we take away 90 from both sides? So we take away 90 from here, take away 90 from there, which leaves us just with a theta over here. Theta plus x from up here. And that's going to equal, well, 90 and 90 cancel, yeah? Cancel, cancel. 180 take away 90 leaves us with a grand total of 90. Okay, now let's bring the x over here and take away theta from both sides. So take away theta, take away theta. All right, x is the subject now. Let's see what happens. X equals, what do we have here? Well, 90 minus theta. We don't have a number, it's just theta. So let's write that down. 90 minus theta. Wow, that's pretty cool when you look at it, because you may or may not have seen this. That pronumeral right up here is always 90 minus that. So no matter what angle you get in here, you just subtract 90 from it and you'll get that angle up there. For example, let's say the angle down here was 30 degrees, yeah? Let's make a number up, 30 degrees. And they say, find x up there. What's x? Now that you know it's 30. Well, we know angle sum of triangles is 180, and we know this formula. So all we do to find what x is simply use this formula. So x up there for this example equals, x equals 90 minus 30, which is theta. See that? Take away the 30. Therefore, x would equal, in this situation for 30 degrees, right up there, x would equal, for this example, 90 minus 30 is 60 degrees. Let's write that in. Okay, so therefore, we can work out in right angle triangles, knowing that there's 180 degrees, angle sum of triangle, and they give us limited information, just a 30 degree or something, we can work out the other angle quite easily. So look out for this 90 minus theta, because it will be coming up quite a bit in this section.
Take a minute to check out our website at http:// www.vividmaths.com. You'll find additional resources, cheat sheets, transcripts, and other maths videos that are not available on YouTube. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe to get access to all the written answers for your maths questions, plus other special offers.